Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check blocked contacts on YouTube. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the YouTube app on your phone. I'm on my Android. You can follow the exact same steps on your iPhone. Now tap on your profile on the bottom right corner and then hit that gear icon on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your YouTube app. Now what you'll have to do is to tap on privacy just under your data in YouTube, and then you'll be able to find an option of blocked contacts just below Google Ads settings. You'll have to tap on blocked contacts and it will take some time to load, and right here you'll be able to find all the contacts uh, that you blocked on YouTube. So that's how you can easily check your blocked contacts or blocked users on YouTube. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.